Well, last time you guys were in this apartment, it was completely furnished. The other people here, he just moved out. I just went to the management company and I just signed the lease. So this is officially my apartment. Now, I'm gonna paint the walls. The walls are probably gonna be black or like a dark green, maybe even a navy blue. I'm not exactly sure. As far as the setup, I'm gonna have my TV right here and we'll have the couch right here. Now, this table, sadly, you can't really eat on it, I feel like. It's not wide enough. Like, yeah, you can put a plate there, but I feel like it's not gonna be the best. So what I'm actually thinking about doing, and I'm gonna ask them, if I could put a wider piece of marble on here, so that way it maybe comes out to here, or maybe even comes out to here, so that way I can set bar stools here, and I can use this as a dinner, like actually eating, because if you think about it, there's no table. The other people had a little kitchen table here, but I don't want to do that because it kind of takes away from the, the kitchen basically. So I feel like with this walls being black and the white and the cabinets being white, it's really going to accent, it's really going to pop. With the light countertops as well, it should really pop. Nice fridge. Now, the thing that I'm really pissed about, he took the washer and dryer. I told him that I was going to buy it. He sold it for $100 more. So we have to get a washer and dryer for the unit. But I guess it's better that we get a washer and dryer. And then this is the full apartment. What a difference you can tell by, it being empty. Huge closet. Huge closet. I'm so excited for that. As far as my bed setup, I'm going to put the bed all the way in the corner. Inventory is going to be stored in here, as well as my personal clothes. I'm going to put a dresser right there, and then I'm going to stack inventory right here. This is all going to be inventory right here. It'll probably stop to right here, and then this on is going to be all personal clothes. I'll have like my shoes at the bottom. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a TV here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a projector. So I'll hang the projector up there, and then I'll shine it to there, because I'll have a huge TV in the living room. This is the only downside, is the bathroom isn't the prettiest. But I feel like if we paint the walls, we can make it look nice. If we paint this black, I think it'll really accent and it'll really make it look a lot nicer. So, toilet's already clogged. So now, I don't know what the fuck's going on with my hair. So now, I am gonna go to Home Depot and I'm gonna start getting paint supplies. I'm gonna start getting paint because I'm gonna just start painting off rip. That's one thing that I wanted with the storage, so that way I'm not rushed to move into stuff. Like, my stuff is chilling in storage. Now I can paint the apartment, I can do whatever I wanna do to it, and then I can bring in my stuff and just start moving in. But I think painting it will make it a night and day difference. Right now it looks super plain. It doesn't look as nice as 102, but you have to think about 102 had the whole entire unit painted. It was like a gray color, and the gray color really made the other stuff accent or pop out. Now I will say the bathroom in this is a lot shittier, but this unit doesn't have, or this unit has a place where I can put a TV versus the other one didn't. So kind of weigh it out. I'd rather have a nice place, like a nice living room with a TV and everything, versus having a nice bathroom, because not many people are gonna be using the bathroom, and if they are, they're just gonna be using it. They're not gonna be inspecting it, they're not gonna be hanging out in it. So I figured, you know what, let's just do it this way. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. So it is what it is. So like I said, I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'll show you guys what paint I pick out. It's probably gonna be like a forest green, maybe a dark blue, but I want it to be basically black. When there's no light hitting on it, I want it to look like black. And I know people are like, oh, black, it's gonna make the room look small, it's gonna do this, it's gonna do that. I think it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look super modern, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a whole different thing. So let's head to Home Depot, get some paint supplies, and start this move, guys. Today's gonna be moving vlog part 1. So yesterday was my first night sleeping at the place, and I will say, I liked it. It was very quiet, very peaceful. The drive to the thrift store isn't as bad. It's still about a 20-minute drive, but it's better than 45 minutes. I left my house at 9:15 today versus 8:20, 8:30. So it's definitely nicer. The only issue is obviously parking. I'm doing street parking, which is kind of annoying. I parked about a block over. But also it kind of has its benefits because I kind of get like my daily exercise. I am going to be working out a lot more soon, but I figured, you know what, to kind of get the day jump started, you know, you walk a block or two, people were walking their dogs, people were riding their bikes, so it was just a very lively atmosphere versus in Fort Lauderdale it was just like dead. I wouldn't see anybody. I would walk 2 steps to my car and then I would start driving, and yeah, so it's just, it seems like this apartment is going to be way better. It seems like it's going to be a lot nicer living in South Beach, living in Miami area, and just overall a better experience. And I'm also thinking for the content, it'll definitely improve a lot as well. But we are on our way to the thrift store, our daily routine, weekly routine. Basically today's agenda or today's plans is I'm gonna hit up 2 thrift stores, then I'm gonna make my way down to Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna start packing up my car and I'm gonna slowly move boxes into the unit. I am gonna be painting. I'm gonna try to do that maybe today or tomorrow. Like I said in yesterday's video, the moving day video, which I don't even know if you guys saw that video yet, I wanna start painting so that way everything's good, everything's dry, ready to go, and I can just start moving boxes in. I don't want to get a U-Haul truck yet just because I still have my storage unit for another 25 days or so. So I figured, you know what, let's not rush this. Let's not, you know, let's just kind of move stuff as it goes. So I'm gonna go to the storage unit, get like my kitchen supplies, my bathroom supplies, stuff like that. I'll leave the inventory there, and then just slowly, you know, every single day I'll bring stuff to it to the point where it's just big furniture, and then I get a big U-Haul and bring the stuff there. But let's head to this first thrift store. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get it, guys. Sadly, only 2 things. This is probably gonna stay in the personal collection. We got the vintage Fat Farm, huge logo. And then I got this for myself also, the cooler. With me living on South Beach now, this is gonna be perfect when I wanna go to the beach and throw some beers and ice in it. So 2 personal funds. So these 2 buildings were originally the buildings I was supposed to move at. But luckily I didn't, because it's just so much construction over here. Construction, and think about it, there's thousands of people that go in and out, elevator, just everything, versus this building that I'm at now, there's only 1, 2, 4 other people that live, like 4 other units that live. I don't know if there's multiple people that live in the units, but there's only 4 people that live in my building, so it's just a lot easier. That first thrift store was shit, it was garbage. Didn't find anything good. Like I said, just that cooler for myself just when I go to the beach, and that Fat Farm jacket. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know that I have a strong connection with Fat Farm, so whenever I find stuff like that, I just end up keeping it. But we are hitting up the second store. Maybe we get some better luck. Maybe it's just a dry day. We'll see, guys. One thing that I am loving is how close everything is. Like literally there's a Dunkin' Donuts about 2 minutes away from my new apartment. So we're gonna go in and get some donuts, then we're gonna go check on Captain. But yo, I'm excited. Everything is so close. I love it. It's only 11 o'clock and I'm basically home already, versus if I lived in Fort Lauderdale, I would probably get home around 11:45, 12. So it's crazy. I'm loving this. I will say one thing I'm gonna get ASAP, like as soon as possible. I'll probably start looking today, is a Vespa, like a scooter, like a 150cc scooter. Just so that way it'll be easy to, like, let's say I wanted to go get Dunkin' Donuts, I could just hop on the scooter versus getting in the car, then having to look for street parking and just doing all that. Versus a scooter, I can literally just pull up, park anywhere, and it'll be nice and quick. So I'm definitely gonna get a Vespa scooter in the next week or so. Like I said, I'm gonna get a 150cc. I don't want a 49cc, I don't want a 50cc because those are just too slow. I need something at least with a little bit of power. So a 150 should do well, but that'll be in another video. I just figured let you guys know that, yeah, I definitely need a Vespa. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure where this footage or like how this vlog is going. I'm kind of just filming clips like every hour or so, but I'm currently headed to my storage unit to meet up with somebody to possibly sell my couch. You know, I told you guys before I moved to Miami, I want to get rid of the couch and I want to get rid of my TV stand. I got rid of my bed frame, so I ordered a new bed frame. That should be on the way. I sent a couple emails to mattress companies to see if maybe they want to collab and work with me, send me a free mattress. But if not, my mattress is still good. It's only about 2 years old, so it is what it is. But yeah, hopefully he picks it up. Hopefully he buys it, because like I said, that's just one big, huge thing that I don't want to lug down to Miami. If I could just go no furniture in Miami, I would love that, and then just buy new furniture and just go as I go. Just bring the boxes and obviously and stuff like that. So let's quickly head to the storage unit and see if he picks it up. I listed it for 200. He didn't negotiate with it, so I'm expecting some negotiation in person, which you guys saw in the video the other day that I got mad because the guy was trying to nickel and dime me. And the reason is because he was doing the negotiation in the messages. We agreed on a price, he came to it. So it's basically like, imagine you go into a restaurant, right?
you see a burger's $10, you order the burger, and when the burger gets there, you're like, that doesn't really look like a $10 burger. How about I give you $5 for it? It's like, what the fuck? No, like, you saw the price, you paid for it, you ordered it at that price, and now you're gonna try to offer $5 because it doesn't look like a $10 burger? No, that doesn't happen. So today I am gonna be expecting a little negotiating. I'll probably take about 150 is the lowest, but we'll see. You know, I really wanna get stuff gone. The next couch that I'm thinking about getting is over $1,000, so this is gonna cover like the tax on the couch, if that. But I am gonna email a few couch companies too to see again if they wanna work, because you know, that's one thing as a YouTuber, you can always try to work with brands and they give you free product and you promote it, and you know. So we'll see. Let me stop vlogging now that I'm driving. But yeah, let's see if we can get rid of this couch. Awesome. Yep. Appreciate it, man.
All right, man. Thanks.
Thank you for the time. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Day.
You too.
Well, just like that, $200. He didn't negotiate. He checked it out. He said, you know, me and my girl just got a 1-bedroom, and he doesn't have time to look around for stuff. So I offered him the TV stand, but he's like, oh, that's way too big. I'm actually picking up a TV stand later. So I said, oh, okay, well, that works out. But at least that's one less thing, because man, that couch was heavy. But look how much nice little empty space. So boom.